Time is money, especially when it comes to commuting. In 2011, U.S. residents collectively spent a staggering 5.5 billion hours stuck in traffic, while in Sao Paulo, Brazil, rush hour traffic once stretched for an incredible 309 kilometers. Though Sao Paulo later became a hotspot for helicopter taxis, there's now a more affordable option for time-saving transportation. RYNO, a one-wheeler that weighs just 118 kilograms, can travel up to 24 kilometers on a single charge, and reach speeds of 16 kilometers per hour. With the bold claim of being the most efficient self-contained electric power transportation device ever built, the RYNO is a breeze to operate. Simply tilt forward to accelerate, tilt back to brake, and use the handbrake to park. The RYNO is available for just $3,000, making it a more accessible option for those looking to get around quickly and efficiently. Introducing the RYSE project, the amphibious vehicle that's making waves in the world of transportation. With only 18 units left for pre-order, time is running out for those looking to own this innovative machine for $200,000. One of the standout features of the RYSE is its air cushion, allowing for a seamless transition from land to water and unlocking new routes for exploration. With an electric motor producing 240 horsepower or 178 kilowatts, the RYSE has a range of 1.5 to 3 hours on a single charge, covering up to 130 kilometers. What's more, the innovative hover drive TM technology allows for movement in any direction, with the vehicle hovering at a height of 15 to 20 centimeters. The first units are set to be delivered later this year, so don't miss your chance to be part of the amphibious revolution. Looking for an innovative, hybrid vehicle that's unlike anything you've ever seen? Look no further than this mini snowmobile/motorcycle combo. This unique vehicle is powered by electricity and can travel up to 10 to 15 kilometers on a single charge. Plus, with a detachable mount, you can easily upgrade to a higher capacity battery for even more power. At just 50 kilograms in the aluminum version or 65 kilograms in the steel version, this vehicle is impressively lightweight and easy to transport. It can even be disassembled for car transport. With a top speed of 65 kilometers per hour, you'll be cruising in style in no time. And thanks to its quiet operation and lack of exhaust emissions, it's better for the environment too. Plus, it can operate in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. All this for the low price of about $4,150. In Slovakia, a unique velomobile prototype has been developed using an unlikely material, plywood. The creator boasts that plywood is not only environmentally friendly, but also cheap and easy to cut, making it an ideal material for laser shaping. Although weight was initially a concern, an electric system was added to the vehicle, allowing for easy steering despite its 76-kilogram weight. The seating positions are similar to that of a car, allowing for better driver vision and vehicle visibility. The 80-centimeter width also makes parking a breeze. This prototype is estimated to cost 3 times less than competing velomobiles, but unfortunately, the project website is no longer available. Fans are urging the inventor to share the designs if the website is never accessible again. Get ready for an adrenaline-filled ride with the buggy that can do it all, the Adrenaline Factory. With switchable drive options for both 2x4 and 4x4 configurations, a 105 horsepower engine, and adjustable suspension with a 45-centimeter stroke, this buggy can take on any terrain. It also features a 2-ton winch and tow bar, electric power steering, and a fully digital dashboard for the ultimate driving experience. And with a mobile app that allows for customization of different terrains and driving styles, you can make sure the Adrenaline Factory is perfect for you. Safety is paramount with the chromoly steel frame, anatomically shaped seats, and 3-point seatbelts for when you reach top speeds of 120 kilometers per hour. All of these incredible features can be yours for around $25,000. Get ready to experience the ride of a lifetime with the Adrenaline Factory. Snowmobiling just got even more exciting with the Hypersports HRC4. While the Yamaha Sidewinder is impressive with over 180 horsepower, some snowmobile enthusiasts crave even more power. The Hypersports HRC4 is a customized snowmobile that can push the limits to 2 or even 3 times the original power. During a test run on grass, this snowmobile easily reached 248 km/h in just 3.4 seconds without using the full power of the engine, which can produce up to 1026 horsepower. In this particular test, 786 horsepower was enough to leave users in awe of how the track could handle such immense power. Driving these monstrous snowmobiles is similar to driving the legendary Group B rally cars known for their insanely powerful engines. So, if you're looking for an adrenaline-pumping snowmobiling experience, the Hypersports HRC4 is definitely worth checking out. Have you ever wanted to feel like a superhero on the road? Look no further than the Quanta R, a quad bike with a 2.5-liter Subaru engine that's inspired by racing action movies. With methanol injection and 5 engine power levels ranging from 350 to 600 horsepower, this machine is not for the faint of heart. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3 seconds and reaches a top speed of 200 km/h, leaving your fellow motorists in awe. Some have even likened it to a vehicle straight out of Batman's garage, and we can see why. With all-wheel drive and a sleek design, the Quanta R is ready for action. All it needs is some gadgets and weapons to become the ultimate superhero vehicle. Are you ready to take on the road like never before? The Supermarine motorcycle by Bandit 9 is not just a motorcycle, it's a work of art and a feat of engineering. Made with a 7075 aluminum frame, which is commonly used in the aerospace industry, this museum-grade bike is inspired by the graceful movements of stingrays and the intricate beauty of coral reefs. The design is nothing short of extraordinary, with manufacturing precision reflected in tolerances measured in micrometers. You can choose between 2 engines that deliver either 74 or 103 horsepower, and the top speed is up to 200 km/h. As one review put it, if you've ever dreamed of gliding through your city at night like a mythical sea creature, this bike is for you. However, the estimated price tag, starting at $30,000, may not be for everyone. Nonetheless, the Supermarine is a world-class motorcycle that will surely turn heads wherever it goes. Imagine being able to cover 238 soccer fields of land without leaving the ground. Well, now you can thanks to the RYSE RECON. This flying machine was created by a local company to make life easier for farmers, ranchers, and other landowners with large plots of land. It takes off and lands vertically on both land and water, and can reach speeds of 101 km/h while carrying a payload of up to 113 kilograms. The best part? You don't need a pilot's license or any training to operate it, making it accessible to everyone according to US law. The RYSE RECON has potential for use in search and rescue missions, cargo transportation, and even tourism. You can pre-order yours now, with deliveries expected by the end of the year at an estimated price of $150,000. The future of land inspection and transportation has arrived. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.